Ever wonder what's actually holding your body together? I'm not talking about bones or muscles here. It's something that most of us never think about, but it's literally everywhere in your body. Fascia. Fascia is the hidden connective tissue that wraps around, well, everything in your body. Your muscles, organs, and even your nerves. It's all connected through this invisible web. And here's the thing, fascia plays a much bigger role in how we move, feel, and even experience pain than you might realize. In this video, we're going to cover what fascia is and why it's important, how it impacts pain and movement, and most importantly, give you some actionable tips to keep your fascia healthy. So what exactly is fascia? Think of it as your body's built-in wrap. Like saran wrap, but way more complex. Fascia is a thin layer of connective tissue that surrounds your muscles, organs, and even your blood vessels. It's what holds everything in place and helps everything slide and glide smoothly when you move. Picture it like this. Fascia is a bit like a spider web. It's flexible, it's incredibly strong, and connects everything in your body. And just like a spider web, if one part gets tangled or tight, it can really affect the whole system. Here's a fun fact. The total surface area of your fascia is actually greater than your skin. It's literally everywhere in your body, so no wonder it has such a big impact on how you move and feel. So now that we know what fascia is, let's talk about why it's so important. Fascia does more than just hold everything together. It plays a critical role in how your body functions, moves, and even how it heals. Fascia is a stabilizer, a shock absorber, and a communication network for your body. When it's healthy, fascia distributes the stress and force from movement, protecting your muscles and joints. But when it's tight or restricted, it can cause discomfort, limit your range of motion, and increase your risk of injury. What's even more interesting is fascia's role in healing. It helps transport nutrients to injured areas and supports recovery. But if the fascia around an injury tightens up, it can actually slow down that healing process by limiting blood flow and restricting movement. This is why keeping your fascia healthy is so important. Let's get into how fascia directly impacts pain and movement. You've probably felt it before. After a long day of sitting or after a tough workout, your body feels stiff. That stiffness often isn't actually felt in the muscles, it's coming from tight fascia. Fascia isn't just a passive tissue. It can stiffen and contract independently from your muscles. When fascia gets tight, it restricts your movement, reduces flexibility, and can even press on nerves causing pain. What we call bad posture or getting stuck in bad posture or a certain position is actually due to fascia. Your brain doesn't want to have muscles contracted. That uses too much energy. So when we have issues like this, it's not your traps that are overfiring, it's the fascia around that has locked in tight to hold those traps up because your body doesn't want to have your traps fired all day. So by addressing tight fascia through movement or self-massage techniques, you can relieve this tension and improve both your mobility and your comfort. Now that we know how important fascia is, let's get specific on what you can do to keep it healthy. The good news, it's simpler than you might think. Here are some research-backed strategies that you can start using right away. First up is hydration. Fascia acts like a sponge. It needs water to stay flexible and to function properly. When your fascia is hydrated, it's pliable and elastic, but when it's dry, it becomes stiff and prone to injury. Research shows that hydration helps maintain the gel-like consistency of fascia, allowing it to glide smoothly over muscles and joints. So here's what to do. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water per day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, that's 75 ounces daily. This helps keep your fascia hydrated and prevents it from becoming brittle and tight. Next, foam rolling or myofascial release. It's one of the best tools to keep your fascia healthy. It helps break up adhesions that can develop in the fascia due to tension, repetitive motions, or inactivity. Foam rolling helps increase blood flow and fluid flow into the fascial tissue. Start by spending 1 to 2 minutes per muscle group focusing on trigger points or areas that feel tight or tender. Roll back and forth, whether that's up and down or side to side, for 30 seconds to a minute, and you should start to feel that alleviate. Your diet plays a crucial role in keeping fascia healthy. Since fascia is made primarily of collagen, which is the protein that holds everything together, proper nutrition is key to maintaining its strength and elasticity. Vitamin C and protein are especially important for collagen production in your body. So a diet rich in these nutrients helps your fascia rebuild and stay flexible. Incorporate foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, bell peppers, and lean protein like chicken, fish, and beans into your diet to support your fascial health. Fascia loves movement. Regular physical activity is one of the best things that you can do to keep your fascia flexible and prevent it from stiffening up. Movement stimulates collagen production in fascia and helps it to stay elastic. Even simple activities like walking can prevent fascia from becoming tight and rigid. Aim for at least 8,500 steps per day or the equivalent of activity each day. Believe it or not, stress affects your fascia too. When you're stressed, your body tenses up, causing fascia to become tight and less compliant. Over time, this can lead to chronic tension and even pain. Emotional stress travels through the fascial web, making stress management critical for fascial health. So incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, things like meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a few moments to stretch each day. And don't forget, get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your fascia to recover and repair. By focusing on these 5 areas, hydration, foam rolling, nutrition, movement, and managing your stress, you'll be taking great care of your fascia, helping your body to move better, recover faster, and stay injury-free. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to The Active Way to stay up to date with all of our latest content. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.